Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a perfect biscuit base for cheesecake. First, you'll need about 250 grams of digestive biscuits and 100 grams of unsalted butter. Begin by crushing your biscuits into fine crumbs. You can use a food processor for speed or a rolling pin for a bit of a workout. Make sure there are no large pieces left. A consistent, fine crumb is key for a smooth base. Now, let's combine our ingredients. Take your 100 grams of unsalted butter and melt it gently in a small saucepan over low heat. Once fully melted, pour this golden liquid directly over your prepared biscuit crumbs. Stir everything together really well. You want every single crumb to be coated in butter, creating a moist, sandy texture that will hold its shape beautifully. With your buttery crumbs ready, it's time to form the base. Transfer the mixture into a 20-centimeter springform pan. Using the back of a spoon or your fingers, press the crumbs down firmly and evenly across the bottom of the pan. A compact layer is essential for a sturdy cheesecake. Once pressed, place the pan in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes to chill and set. For an extra crisp base, you can bake it. Preheat your oven to 170 degrees Celsius and bake the chilled base for about 10 minutes. This step isn't strictly necessary, but adds a lovely crunch. Once baked, let it cool completely on a wire rack before you even think about adding your cheesecake filling. A cool base prevents your filling from melting. And hey, if you're looking for great deals, check the description for a link to the Oala water bottle and other fantastic finds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.